Today, I'm going to show you, microwave, microwave, lesson. Um, I has some, pop, popcorn, 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 and just put in and my in the microwave. It says about three minutes. So I'm gonna
put the popcorn in for 3 minutes. You'll burn it.
I know.
Just 2 minutes.
So it's cup. You guys just sit in the flavor of Come on. Throw this bag in the trash for me, please. Thank you. Right there. Right this bag, Mom. No. Yep. I'll put it for 3 minutes or so.
2.
No, you need 2 yet. I'll see you down.
You only put it in there for 2 minutes. You put it in for 3, you're gonna burn it.
I won't, okay?
Okay.
And I'm gonna flip the side in the bag, popcorn. Popcorn in there. Put it for 3 minutes, not 2 minutes,
You're gonna burn it?
You're fine, Mom. You're fine, Mom. Okay. You're fine, Mom, okay?
Fine.
And the place in Durham there where I had the microwave, light turn on. Maybe it's this. Here we go. Put it in. 3 minutes. And bowl for this. Okay. Coo. Oh yeah, bowl, for popcorn. Yeah, listen how it pops, listen. Listen how it pops, it sounds like. Oh, it's popping. It's popping. It's popping. Oh, I can hear it popping now. When it's all done, I'll take it out. So that went down, don't burn it. Popcorn. Well, pull door out. Okay, popcorn, is done. It's hot. Yeah, it's nice and hot. Very hot. Okay. So my camera now. Okay, you want to be very careful. Let's open it. Oh, it's hot. Look at that. Yeah, I didn't mean to burn it, Mom. Okay. There you go. Let me taste it. Mmm. That's so delicious. Love what you eat and eat what you love. There you go. If right now, go out and buy out some popcorn. Popcorn. And there's a, ooh, I want some. Don't get, grab a drink and take it with it. Bye.